For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Your credit score plays a vital role in your financial life. Whether you're applying for a mortgage, a car loan, or a credit card, or even renting an apartment or getting a job, your credit score can impact the decision. Fortunately, with the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, improving and managing your credit score has become easier, smarter, and more accessible than ever. This guide walks you through a step-by-step process to build up your credit score using AI-powered tools, apps, and strategies. Step 1. Understand what affects your credit score. Before leveraging AI, you need to understand what contributes to your credit score. The most commonly used credit scoring model, FICO, is based on payment history. 35% on-time payments are critical. Credit utilization. 30% how much of your credit you're using. Credit age. 15% how long your credit accounts have been active. Credit mix. 10% types of credit you have, credit cards, loans, etc. New credit inquiries. 10% how often you apply for new credit. AI tools can help you track, manage, and optimize each of these factors. Step 2. Use AI-based credit monitoring apps. Start by using AI-powered credit monitoring apps like Credit Karma, Experian Boost, Credit Sesame, Mint, ClearScore. These platforms analyze your credit report and offer personalized advice. Their AI algorithms detect trends and pinpoint weak spots in your credit profile. For example, high credit utilization or missed payments. Action. Sign up for 1 to 2 apps. I'll link your bank accounts and credit cards. Set up real-time alerts and monthly reports. Follow suggestions provided by the app to improve credit. Step 3. Use AI to optimize payment history. Since payment history is the most significant credit score factor, never missing a bill is essential. AI-driven tools can automate and remind you about payments. Recommended AI tools. Prism automatically tracks your bills and reminds you when they're due. Tally uses AI to manage and automate credit card payments to avoid late fees. Truebill. Now Rocket Money analyzes subscriptions, tracks bills, and helps with budgeting. Action. Use at least one bill payment AI app. Set up auto-pay for recurring payments. Use AI alerts for manual payments to avoid late fees. Step 4. Use AI to lower your credit utilization ratio. High credit utilization, above 30%, can hurt your score. AI can help you manage and lower this. AI tools. Tally optimizes how you pay down credit cards to keep balances low. Upstart or Lending Club. Use AI to determine your creditworthiness for a personal loan, which you can use to consolidate credit card debt. Action. Keep credit utilization below 30% of your limit, ideally under 10%. Use AI tools to forecast how much to pay down and when. Consider a personal loan to pay off high-interest cards and improve your ratio. Step 5. Use AI-powered rent and utility reporting services. Your rent and utility payments usually don't affect your credit unless reported. AI-backed services like Experian Boost, Level Credit, Rental Karma. These tools allow you to add rent, phone bills, and utility payments to your credit file, giving you a score boost. Action. Sign up for Experian Boost and connect your bank account. Register rent and utility payments with AI-backed services. Monitor the impact on your score. Step 6. Avoid hard inquiries with AI pre-approval tools. Hard inquiries, like applying for a credit card, can reduce your score. Many AI-driven apps now offer soft credit check pre-approvals. Tools to use. Card Match by creditcards.com uses AI to match you with credit cards you're likely to be approved for without impacting your credit. Lending Tree uses predictive AI to offer soft check loan options. NerdWallet, personalized AI-based credit card and loan recommendations. Action. Use AI tools for soft credit checks before applying for new credit. Only apply for credit products you're likely to be approved for. Step 7. Use AI to build credit from scratch or rebuild. If you have no credit or poor credit, AI can help build your score from zero. Use Self, an AI-powered credit builder loan where you save money and build credit at the same time. Chime Credit Builder Card. AI-based tool that helps you build credit without interest or fees. Grow Credit uses AI to let you build credit by paying for subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify. Action: open a credit builder account. Use the AI insights to monitor your progress. Pay consistently for 6 to 12 months. Step 8. Use AI budgeting tools to avoid overspending. Overspending leads to debt, which can harm your credit. AI budgeting apps help you spend within your means. Recommended apps. In-app, you need a budget uses AI to categorize and manage your expenses. Rocket Money identifies and cancels and use subscriptions. Pocket Guard uses AI to tell you how much you can spend safely each day. Action: connect your bank accounts to an AI budgeting tool. Set savings goals and spending limits. Review weekly reports to stay on track. Step 9. Dispute errors on your credit report using AI. Mistakes on your credit report can unfairly hurt your score. AI tools can help detect and dispute them. AI tools. Dispute B automates dispute letter generation using AI. Lexington Law uses AI to manage and send disputes. Credit Karma flags suspicious activity and errors. Action: review your credit reports monthly. Use AI tools to identify and correct errors. Monitor the outcome of disputes via your credit apps. Step 10. Track progress and stay consistent. Improving your credit score is not instant, but AI helps you track small improvements over time. Use AI dashboards, Experian, Credit Karma, Mint, progress visualizers, and score simulators. AI-powered goal trackers to stay motivated. Action: set a goal, e.g., raise score from 600 to 720 in 12 months. Use the AI tool simulations to make decisions, e.g., what happens if I pay off $1,000 this month? Review your progress weekly. Final tips: stay patient. AI can speed up the process, but building strong credit still takes months. Diversify. Use AI tools for monitoring, payments, budgeting, and building. Don't game the system. Follow responsible credit habits. AI is here to help, not cheat. Conclusion: thanks to advancements in AI, building your credit score no longer has to be a confusing or manual process. From smart alerts and automation to personalized recommendations and predictive models, AI empowers you to take control of your financial health. By consistently applying these steps and using AI to guide and automate your efforts, you can significantly improve your credit score and your financial future. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.